Okay. Next model number 4 in passive. Model number 4. Perfect model. Perfect model. So examples on perfect model. Shaheen has sung a song. What is the sentence? Subject Shaheen, verb has sung a song. What is this sentence? To which tense this sentence belong? This belongs to present perfect. Subject plus have or has plus be3 plus object. So the sentence is in present perfect. How this sentence can be changed into passive form? Change the object into subject. A song. Singular or plural? Singular. Here one point will be perfect be forms in present perfect be forms. Have, has. Have denotes, have is used for plural and whereas has is for singular. Understood? Have we have to use for plural and has for singular. So, Shaheen has sung a song by the object a song changed into subject a song. A song singular. So, we have to use again only has. When active voice starts with a have or has or had, we have to add be form been after the perfect be form. So a song has been. A song has been. Three forms of sing or sing, sang, sung. A song has been sung by. By is the preposition we use commonly. A song has been sung by Shaheen. A song has been sung by Shaheen. Okay now, listen be careful. Shaheen subject, verb has sung, object a song. Change the object into subject. A song, singular, so has. Has after in passive form, both perfect be forms after in passive we have to use been. B-E-E-N, been. A song has been. And B3 of sing, sang, sung, be form, past participle sung is used. A song has been sung by preposition and subject Shaheen changes as object. So a song has been sung by Shaheen. One more example. Okay now. Renuka has completed the work. Renuka has completed the work. Subject to Renuka, verb has completed, object the work. Change the object to subject. The work, singular or plural? Singular. So the work has common word for be form of be perfect be form after be. The work has been completed. V3 of complete is completed and preposition by. The Renuka remains as Renuka even as object. The work has been completed by Renuka. Okay. Next, one more example. The teacher has corrected the notebooks. Subject the teacher. Verb has corrected. Object the notebooks. Change the object into subject. The notebooks. Here the notebooks, when the object notebooks written as subject, this is plural. But while in the sentence of the beginning, the above, the teacher singular so has. But here the notebooks plural, we have to use the plural perfect be form have. The notebooks have. And common word been. The notebooks have been corrected. Corrected. By. Subject the teacher changes as the object the teacher. Corrected by the teacher. Okay? Next. The students have conducted Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat program. Subject to the students have conducted. Verb object Swachh Bharat program. Students plural so have comes in, but while the object Swachh Bharat program remains singular only. So we have to use singular perfect be form. Swachh Bharat program has been because Swachh Bharat program is singular, so been has been conducted by the students. That is the model. Okay now. The students have conducted Swachh Bharat program, that is the passive form, active form, objective passive form. Swachh Bharat program has been conducted by the students. Okay, na?